How to add someone to WhatsApp group. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add someone to WhatsApp group. First of all, go and open the WhatsApp group that you want to add someone to it. So as you can see, as I open the WhatsApp group, tap on this name of the WhatsApp group. So as you can see now, before you add someone to a WhatsApp group, you must be admin of the WhatsApp group. So as you can see, I'm admin of the WhatsApp group. So tap on this add. So as you can see now, it will give you all the contacts that are on your phone, all people that are using WhatsApp on your phone. So all you have to do is go and search for the person that you want to add him to the group. So after you search for the person, all you have to do is tap on the person name. So after you tap on the person name, tap on this save button. So as you can see now, if I scroll all the way to down, as you can see now, I can be able now to see the person that I just added. Here is the person now. Hope this video helps you out. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below.